Hello again, a new day, a new project, a new improvement. Look what I got here. I never thought I could be so happy having a graphic card. And here we are. This is a Gigabyte WinForce GTX 960. Very nice, very good shape, looking great, clean as new, and thanks to my beloved DG Vlad, he helped me to find this graphic card. Of course, it's like maybe 4 or 5 years old technology, but I don't mind because it's better than any kind of Intel graphic like I'm using now on my new old desktop computer. So now it's time to have the graphic board into the desktop. So let's start with the beginning. We have to close it down. So shut down the computer for good. I mean really shut it down, not sleep or anything or hibernation or whatever. And when you are sure that the computer is off, yeah, no more light there, then we have to close it down from the power supply. Right there, and now it's totally off. Let me have the desktop on the operation table. Okay, so the computer is shut down for real, for good, and here we are. Really wonderful case. This is real glass here, amazing. You know, I was laughing like hell because it's looking like glass is cheaper than plastic today. Okay, so let's have this top off, and this one should go out. The bracket here, this is just covering, you know, the decorations inside. So we have this screw, beautiful. Wasn't too much effort. Here we have the board. It's looking like I need 2 openings there, and I have, okay, nice. That's a HDMI output, and we have a direct output, and of course the old classic DVI. All of them are beautiful. Now I have to take this out also. Yep, very careful. Take this metal cover away. We have to effectively broke this, but down there are a lot of little parts, so we have to be real careful. Steady hand and a little attention. Okay. I really feel good about having this in place. Okay, that's something I have to show you. Here we have a locker. This one, so this one will be down after the card is in place because it's catching this piece of board here. It's a mechanical fixing somehow, so we have to take care of that too, because that one will fix the card in a certain position mechanically. Okay, so I'm going with this part up, then nice and easy we just put it into the mount. Okay, but I'm afraid I have to take another one out from here, so it's not enough like that. Yeah, now it should work. Oh yes. Yes, and it's in place already. So I use the black one, this one, to fix the card in place. Nice. This is really nice here, and the lock is also okay. Now let me have this cover back too. Well, it's not really necessary, but it's elegant. Yeah, a magnetic screw, it's all you need for this. Oh, so we are good here. All I have to do now is to have the power supply for the graphic card. And what is that? Nothing here. Okay, so I think that's the other side. I have to open this side too. So the power supply for the card, for the graphic card, to the other side, in between the whole bunch of wires. There you go. You see, all the computer screws are very different from the normal. Usually they have a different meter, they have a different metric. I think this one should be okay. Well, where is that piece of cable? It's right here. Oh yeah, it's right, this one. Yeah, so this one should go up in this hole and then into the card. Maybe I should give a try with this. Yeah, okay, so we got that in the position. We can put it back in the case. The hard drive now it's fixed. Okay. And this one have to go right here. Beautiful. All I have to do now, get this DVI cable out. Okay. And to have it to the DVI port of the card for now. Of course, I will have a better cable soon. Power it's on, and let's see. Power on. The fans are spinning. We had the beep. Yeah, see, the fans are spinning, and we got picture on the screen. So the card, it's working very nice. So here we have the card and specification. You know, with this shortage of graphic cards, this one, it's a really blessing present. So thanks again, DJ Vlad, for having this project together. We are finally done here. Going back to desktop doesn't look so hard. I get used to laptops in the last 15-20 years more. I was on the road most of the time, so couldn't have my desktop. Now I got it. Thank you for now. See you soon with some other projects. Bye bye.